Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and access AOL Mail just like I'm doing right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open a new browser right over here. Search for AOL Mail right over here and go ahead and click on login just like that. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you want to simply go ahead and create an account. Enter your name, your last name, your email that you want, your password that you want to create, your date of birth. Click on next. It's going to go ahead and ask you for a phone number. Enter that phone number and it's going to ask you for a verification code that it'll send you to your phone number. And once you've done that, your account should be ready. And now all you need to do is just go ahead and log in. So let me just go ahead and show you how you can log in by signing out. Let me just go ahead and sign out real quick. Now as you can see, if I just go ahead and click on sign in and enter my username and password just like that and click on next, it's going to go ahead and help me sign in into my account. And that is about it. Now you can either mail if you want to, you can either go ahead and use the news sources if you want to, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.